What's up, everybody? So I'm out here at Lake Billy Chinook, and it is a cold day. It is like 34 degrees, but I have never seen the lake this still. Check that out behind me. Yeah. So I came out here. I really wanted to give the Garmin Striker 4 fish finder a try. I just picked it up, got a smoking deal on it. Kind of figured out a way to get it set up on the kayak. I'll give you a look at that, and it's pretty cool. I have a lot to learn with how to use them and how to target fish with them. But I'm excited, so let me show you. Okay, so on the side of the kayak here, there used to be a piece of elastic that came from here up to this little hook here and to another hole right here. And that was for holding your paddle right here, and I never use it. So I kind of took that out, used one of these holes, and I got a bolt in there. And then what I did is I've got this thin piece of metal you can pick up at Home Depot, and I got the transducer down on it, and I just shimmed that up. That way it's fully submerged and I can get the water temperature. There's a close-up on that. I use that piece of elastic to help hold this up, so the whole thing pivots when I come into shore. I just pull that bolt out, and then I have a loop here, and I loop it on there, and so that's just going to hold it up like that. That way it doesn't drag on the ground. So far it's worked really good. I've come in and out of the water like 2 or 3 times, and it works pretty good. So basically this goes down, okay, and then I have this hardware that I found just laying around, spacer. Let me pause this and I'll show you. Okay, so I put that bolt in there with the one spacer, and then I'll put these washers in the nut. Just finger tight is all it takes. It doesn't even need to be snug, really. It's just to hold it there. And then when I'm paddling around, this is what it looks like. And it works really good. I'm probably about 4 inches below the kayak, so I'm pretty happy with that. I might see if I can come up with something better. Maybe at least put some wing nuts on instead of a regular nut. Okay, so the wire goes on up to the unit itself, plugs in the back. Pretty self-explanatory. For the power, I'm using a 12-volt battery that it's in like a little gun case. It's all sealed up. I got this for a game camera like a year ago on Amazon. I think I paid 35 bucks for it. But it's made, you know, to be pretty much water resistant, and this is perfect for me. It's not too big or anything, and it's rechargeable. It comes with a plug-in. So I just charged it up, and we didn't even put a dent in the power today, and I was going for probably 6 hours just messing around and paddling and trying to learn a few things. So when I'm in the kayak, I just push it up here in between my legs, and then I have all my tackle right here in the middle, and it works great. As far as mounting the unit, I needed to find a flat spot on this kayak, and I couldn't because it couldn't fit down in here, and so I went on top of this little hatch. But it's not a big deal because I never use that hatch anyway. But one thing to be aware of is this thing slides off, so it doesn't go straight down on top, but you push it down and then it'll slide off just like this. Okay, so down, slide it in, and then you can pivot it, and then you can pivot this piece too, up or down. It's pretty simple to use, pretty happy with it. It's showing all this stuff because it's not in water right now, but it's on the split screen for a 200 or a 77 kilohertz, and you can go to the traditional view if you want. Pretty simple to use. I'm really happy with it. That's the split frequency. We'll go traditional, and there it is. So it shows depth, temperature of the water, which today was like 46 degrees, how fast you're going, the voltage on your battery, and then the time. You can also save a waypoint, like if you find like a school of fish or some sort of underwater structure you really like, you can do that. So that's pretty cool. So as I get to know this unit better and learn how to use it better, I'd like to do another video. But for now, this is just kind of a trial setup, and I'm pretty impressed with it. I think it was a good buy. I got it at Cabela's. It was on sale for 99 bucks plus 10% off, so that's 80 bucks, or no, that's 90 bucks. And then I used a bunch of my own Cabela points, so it was practically almost nothing out of my pocket at the time. If you have any questions, comments, or pointers, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys.